What if I told you that the reason you're watching this video is because a giant space rock hit Earth 66 million years ago? Seriously, if that asteroid had missed, humans might not exist. Your phone, your house, your job, your favorite memes. None of it. Instead, Earth could still belong to the dinosaurs. But what would that world actually look like? Would giant T-Rexes be roaming city streets? Would humans be hiding underground? Or could dinosaurs have evolved into something even stranger? Let's find out. First, let's go back 66 million years. Dinosaurs had dominated Earth for over 160 million years. To put that into perspective, humans have existed for only a tiny fraction of that time. Dinosaurs weren't just surviving, they were thriving. They occupied nearly every ecosystem on the planet. Some were the size of chickens. Others were larger than a bus. Then, an asteroid about 10 kilometers wide slammed into Earth. The impact triggered massive fires, climate collapse, and global extinction. Around 75% of all species disappeared, including nearly all dinosaurs, except for one group, birds. Yes, every pigeon, every chicken, and every seagull that steals your food is technically a dinosaur. So, if a bird pooped on your car recently, congratulations, you've already encountered a dinosaur. But what if that asteroid never hit? Scientists believe dinosaurs would likely have continued dominating Earth's ecosystems. Large mammals, including our ancient ancestors, would probably have remained small. Back then, most mammals lived in the shadows. Literally, many were small nocturnal creatures trying not to become dinner. It's hard to evolve into a human when a giant predator can eat your entire family in one bite. Without the extinction event, mammals may never have had the opportunity to become the dominant animals on Earth, which means no humans, no civilizations, no internet, no YouTube comments arguing about pineapple on pizza. Just dinosaurs. Everywhere. Now here's where things get really interesting. Dinosaurs weren't frozen in time. They were still evolving. If they had survived another 66 million years, they would likely look very different today. Imagine a T-Rex adapted to modern environments, or intelligent raptor species becoming increasingly clever over millions of years. Some scientists have even speculated that certain dinosaur groups could have evolved intelligence comparable to primates, not necessarily human intelligence, but far smarter than their ancient ancestors. Thankfully, there's currently no evidence that dinosaur lawyers would have evolved. The planet itself would also look different. Large herbivorous dinosaurs would continue shaping forests and grasslands. Predatory dinosaurs would influence food chains. Entire ecosystems would operate differently. Many animals we know today, including some mammals, might never have evolved at all. And what about humans? Could we still exist? Maybe, but the odds aren't great. Human evolution depended on mammals expanding into ecological niches left empty after the extinction. Without that opportunity, our primate ancestors might never have become dominant. In fact, you might currently be watching this video as a small furry creature hiding inside a tree, assuming videos even existed, which they probably wouldn't. But let's imagine humans somehow did evolve alongside dinosaurs. Life would be very different. Imagine driving to work and seeing a 10-meter-tall herbivore crossing the highway. National parks would be absolutely terrifying. Camping? Not a chance. Imagine hearing a strange noise outside your tent and discovering it's a hungry predator that weighs 7 tons. Suddenly, mosquitoes don't seem like such a big problem anymore. Of course, not every dinosaur was gigantic. Many species were relatively small. Some would probably adapt well to modern cities. Picture dinosaur pigeons, dinosaur squirrels, and tiny feathered dinosaurs stealing your lunch. Actually, that already sounds suspiciously similar to regular pigeons. Perhaps the strangest possibility is that dinosaurs could have become even more successful than they already were. They dominated Earth for longer than mammals ever have. Given enough time, who knows what bizarre forms they might have evolved into? Nature is incredibly creative. After all, it somehow turned dinosaurs into chickens. So, what if dinosaurs never went extinct? The most likely answer is simple. Humans probably wouldn't exist. Mammals would remain in the background. Dinosaurs would continue ruling the planet. And Earth would be a very different place, which means that every human achievement, every city, every invention, and every video on the internet may owe its existence to one incredibly lucky or unlucky asteroid impact. The next time you see a bird, remember, you're looking at the last surviving branch of one of the most successful groups of animals in Earth's history, a living dinosaur, just a lot smaller, and much more interested in stealing your snacks. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more fascinating what-if scenarios, science, history, and the strange events that shaped our world. And let us know in the comments, would you want to live in a world where dinosaurs never went extinct?